Let me show you what a Tuesday morning looks like at a company that's doing AI right. And then I'll explain why most businesses can't get here even if they're spending money on AI. It's 8 a.m. and AI agent has already pulled overnight sales data, flagged 3 anomalies, and drafted a summary for the ops lead without the help of an analyst. At 8:15, the marketing lead reviews 12 AI ad variations that an AI tool generated overnight, tested against last quarter's performance data. She picks 4 and schedules them. At 8:30 a.m., an AI procurement agent flagged that a key supplier's pricing is 14% above the market and drafted a renegotiation email with competitive data attached. The ops manager reviews it, tweaks the response, and hits send. It's 9 a.m. now. An AI agent handled 80% of overnight tickets. The 2 human reps are only dealing with the complex, relationship-sensitive cases. At 9:30 a.m., the CEO opens the dashboard where an AI assistant has synthesized data from sales, ops, and finance into a single strategic briefing. They're not waiting for 3 department heads to compile reports. That is not science fiction. Every tool I just described exists today. So why isn't your company doing this? That's what the rest of the video is about, because the answer isn't what you think. You're bolting AI onto a broken org chart. Most companies buy AI tools and hand them to existing teams without changing anything else. That's like giving a race car to someone on a dirt road. The most successful companies in 2026 aren't deploying the most AI models. They're reinventing how decisions, teams, and accountability are structured around AI. This is a management revolution, not a technology upgrade. You're optimizing when you should be redesigning. Most AI implementations improve existing workflows, making the same process 20% faster. The real opportunity, however, is in fundamentally reorganizing how decisions get made. Don't use AI to make your 5-step approval process faster. Instead, ask whether you need 5 steps at all when AI can flag those exceptions automatically. The companies pulling ahead aren't doing the same things more efficiently. They're doing entirely different things. Here's the question almost nobody asks. What becomes our bottleneck once AI actually works? The old bottleneck was time, data processing, scale. The new bottleneck, however, is decision quality, accuracy, human judgment on edge cases. If you automate everything, but your people aren't equipped to handle what's left, which is the hard stuff, you've just made your weakest link more visible. So, what do you actually do about this? Let me give you a starting framework. Shift 1. From tool adoption to workflow redesign. Stop asking where we can use AI. Instead, ask which workflows should we completely rethink. Pick your top 3 revenue-driving or cost-heavy workflows. For each one, ask, if I were building this from scratch today with AI available, would it look anything like what we have right now? If your answer is no, that is your biggest opportunity. Shift 2. From individual productivity to team architecture. AI shouldn't just make each person 20% faster. It should let you restructure who does what. The 10-person team from the opening works because roles were redesigned around AI capabilities, not because 50 people were replaced. Roles split into strategic decision makers, AI human workflow managers, and exception handlers. Ask yourself, if AI handles the routine 80%, are your people trained and positioned for the critical 20%? Shift 3. From department silos to unified AI intelligence. That CEO dashboard from the beginning, it only works when data flows across departments. Most companies have AI tools in marketing, separate ones in ops, separate ones in finance, none of them talking to each other. The competitive advantage comes from connected intelligence, not isolated tools. This is an architecture decision, not a software purchase. Now, here's the honest truth. I just gave you the framework, but figuring out which specific workflows to redesign, how to restructure your teams, and how to connect your data for your business in your industry with your team, that is a different conversation. And that's exactly what I help companies do. Right now, I'm offering an AI strategy audit. It's a deep dive into your business where we map your highest impact workflows against AI opportunities, identify the org design changes that would actually unlock value, and build a prioritized 90-day roadmap so you know exactly what to do first. It's not a free call where I pitch you on a huge engagement. It's a paid working session that gives you a concrete plan. If you're a business owner doing 5 million plus in revenue, you know AI should be a bigger part of your strategy, but you're not sure where to start, or you've started and it's not working. Send me an email. The address is in the description below. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.